wai yang baro Rahul Gandhi ulawan. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi. Thank you.
Vincent Pala ji, Roel Lingdo ji, Boldness Nongum ji, Oris Marian ji, Mansturdy Nongrem ji, brothers and sisters, friends, I'd like to welcome all of you to this beautiful place for this public meeting.
Kumbala ang ikikerteng baro, udap na jisokmen, banyo ipi baro, hakani ka public meeting.
As I was coming up to the stage, I met people in the lineup, and one of the people in the lineup was the traditional chief.
Habaw na kiu kani ka stage, swaban kiu kani ka stage. Ulai kendo baro gitu kibriu ka bani kendo yu hangtei. Ulai kendo i paim swaban rung hangne.
And he explained to me the local system of governance in your villages, the traditional system of governance.
Ila batai I kumno karukom trikam jongi, ika tradition jongi hakarukom sinsar kadar hakisnong kitao jongi baro.
He explained to me how all the village chiefs elect their own chiefs and how the structure functions.
Ila batai kumno ki jit ikom jit iki sem ikirang bab snong, bat hakanu karukom nado us em rabak snong.
The West talks about democracy, and over here you've had traditional democracy for hundreds and hundreds of years.
So parang ki batai ke demokrasi, henry hangne pat nyeladon ke demokrasi, nado por berimbaja dikispa snem.
And what is that? What is democracy? Democracy is the voice of people.
Ka democracy. Ka democracy ka sur jong ki paiba.
It is the voice of every person regardless of who he is.
Ka sur jong baro ki jong pi. La pi de ka no ka kardan ro.
Whether he is rich or poor.
La de beduk ne beruspa.
And this is what you have taught the rest of the country.
Kane ka jing hikai bayo nang ne.
If you want to take a decision, then listen to what people have to say, have a conversation about the issues, and take a collective joint decision.
When
Mahatma Gandhi said we want a democracy in India, what he was essentially saying is the system of governance that exists in Meghalaya, in other parts of the country, we want to adopt it in the whole country.
Habau Mahatma Gandhi hikai democracy uang bakarukam sensar kendara po Meghalaya ngide ban hikai gibru kumno karukom bekile namata ke sensar kendara ngide ban hikai ngide ban paspriang ya kabal adon lapa kenang ba ngila ban penyahap ban kijingron kam jong gibru.
So I want to thank you for giving this gift to the country.
Nakwa ban ai ke jing songo jing koblai pi ba pila ai kane ke jing hikai ya ki wai ki banta jong gari India.
And we for the last couple of years have been running a government in Delhi that also tries to listen to the voice of people before taking decisions.
Ngiro hakpor menta nakibon snam glasen char Delhi iko ban snap ban yo snau ke jing ot ke jing nam jong ki pai ba klang mengela ban sim decision ban ai ke jing char kadar ke bapura.
If you look at our decisions, whether it is Manrega, or it is the right to information, or the right to food, all these decisions are the result of listening to the voice of the Indian people.
Lebih baik ya kejing ke decision ke jongi karai ke jongi nadali la ke ka skim cis pasngi lane ke skim namenta ke ka right to food kene baro ke de namenta ke jing mentoy ke jing bha jongi pai ba.
And all these decisions are designed for every single person in the country.
Baro kini kijingrai, la benta la design, namtai way pe way nong sam snong jong kari India baro kawai.
And we do this because we understand that every single person in this country's voice is as important as every other person.
Mangilai kene, namar mengisau tu, ba way po way nong song hakane kari ka jongi bo don kam hakano kano banta babaro ngilong equal na de barit ne behe.
Here the Congress party has given you voice by the creation of a new district.
Hangne ka Congress Party ka IUP ya kata ka bor da ka basna dan ka snap ya ka bor jong pi da ka basna ba ai ngi ya ka district.
And I want to thank the Chief Minister and the other leaders of the Congress party for allowing this to happen.
Na ko aban ai ki somo yo Chief Minister ba baro ki cabinet u ba sarkar Meghalaya ka ba lasha ya ka ne bakanja.
Because it is only when we listen to the voice of our people, listen to our traditional system, listen to our villagers, that we will be able to move this country forward.
Tang dang la snap ya ka sur jong ki pajba la ka de na ka sur jong ki sem le ki rang ba snong ni ka suro nong song haden ka tang ila pan le ka nong ila pan le bha nong tai ki pajba.
The Congress party does not believe in favoring one community or one group of people. We believe in helping everybody, in moving everybody together forward.
Ka Congress Party kam tu snap tangi kino ki chai bru ni sipenta ni ki chai bru ka snap ya baro ba ka snap ya ka wasong baro khnang bagala ban le bha ban ai ki singsar ka jingsdar ka balong salan sare baro.
When we fought the British, we did not say that we are fighting the British for this particular class or this particular community. We said we are fighting the British for every single Indian.
Habang i kun percaya ki pereng i kelamang ba i kun percaya na menta une ka jai bru lani kita ki jai bru andreng i kun percaya na menta baro ki nom snong jong kari India.
When we carried out the Green Revolution with the help of the Indian farmer, we did not say that we are going to benefit one particular community or one particular caste or one particular religion of farmer. We said everybody who is a farmer is going to be involved in moving this country forward.
Hapor bagi pembina ka Green Revolution na penta ki nong rep ki klam ong ba kane ka skim kan dei tang menta kita ki chai pinru le ki chai pinru na ya baro ki nong rep jong kane kari India baro ko wei ngide ban long ki badap ki babiang.
When we nationalized the banks, we did not say only this group of people can get a bank loan. We said if you are poor, you are weak, the bank's doors will be open to you.
Agapor ba ka sarkar ka simti ka bang ki klam ong ba ka bang de ban ai lon tang ki beruspa alene kino ki chai pinru na ya baro ki nong snong ki bodon kam ya ka lon baro ki chai pinru ki bodon kam ya ka menta ka lon.
And when we carried out the telecom revolution, when we carried out the computer revolution, we said we want to give mobile phones to every single person, not to one group or one community or one caste.
Hagapor bagi ai ki mobile ki telefon ki klam ong ba kane ka telefon ka dei tang ta kita ki chai bru ne ki chai bru na ya baro ki klam ong ban ai tang kino ya baro ki nong snong jong kari India.
And when we want to talk about development in Meghalaya, we want to say that every single tribe, every single group has to move together forward.
Habangi ai ka jeroi ka para po ka state Meghalaya ki klam ong tang damta uni ki chai bru le ki hende ya baro nong snong Meghalaya udai ban yai chakman ha ka roi ha ka par.
Because we believe that it is everybody's right to have access to development, regardless of where they are from or who they are.
Namar nginge ba baro ngide ban long ki badap babiang ha ka spa ka po la de barit ne ba he kanang bangin la pan tres ngin yai chakman.
And if we want to really move this forward, if we want to have development, we need to think about empowering local government and empowering the local people.
Lani ko aban ya chakmat ngide ban ai ka bor ya ki nong snong ki nong sisar ba kin yai chakmat ngide ban empower lani pendon bor iki nong snong jong kane ka thai.
You have 100-bedded hospital here, but when you have a serious problem, you still need to go to Shillong.
Pidon hang ne ka hospital ka ba chispa kamra tia de pidon no jing e pi hap le hi se Shillong.
We need to try and ensure that your medical needs are met locally.
Ni ko aban peni ni ko aban peti kana ba kano ki junung kam jong pi ha ka kot ka kia ka de ban la ban ai ngi ki kot kia ha ka ne hi ka thai.
Now I know that this is difficult, but we must try and ensure that every person has access to the best medical facilities.
Ngi ti pa kane kam de ka bajam kade ka be Andrei persang ba baro kinong song kide ban yo ka jing sumar ka babiang kide ban yo ki facilities ki babiang ba hakaliang ka kot ka kia.
The Congress government has given you access to the ambulance service.
Ka Congress government kala IEP ikitugi ambulance service 108.
And this is helping a lot of people. But we can do even more.
Kane ga irabi ki bru Andrei ngidang la ban le khamba susu.
Even when it comes to education, we need to ensure that you get the best quality education over here.
Haliang ka puli ka dangle ngi kwa ban pentik na ban pinyo ka ji hikai ka bhatam hakani ka thain ka jongpi.
Today, if you want a really top quality education, you have to go to Delhi, to Bangalore, to Shillong.
Mentala pikwa ban yo ka puli ka dangle ka bakam banya ka bamha hablet che Delhi hablet che Velor bat hablet che Shillong.
We have to move to a situation where we can give you the top quality education in this area itself.
Ni hab ya chekmat ba ya ka education lene ka puli ka dangle pide ban yo hakani hi ka snong ka jongpi ka hakano kano ka kardan lene kano kano ka standard.
But development cannot happen at the expense of somebody.
But karoy kapar kamde banjia haka bha jongki weipat.
We have to make sure that as many people can be included in development are included.
Ni ko apan penting na ba baro kide ban yo hagaliang ka roy kapar kat bala ngide ban penroy baro hagaliang ka roy kapar.
This is the spirit of the Congress party.
Kane kide ki jingtu jong ka sarkar.
You have a young chief minister
Pidonu chief minister badang samla
and he is doing
bo utri kam
good
ba
work.
bo utri tang ya iki kam jemu.
He's a hard-working person and he thinks about the future of your state.
Ude betri sitom bot porkhat yam ta kalawe jong ka state jongi.
And you have your government in Delhi, which is also a UPA Congress government, which wants to support the growth of Meghalaya.
Ni don ka sarkar UPA po Delhi ke bakwa ban support ya ka roy ka par jong ka Meghalaya ka sarkar Meghalaya hang ni.
I want that both these governments work together to bring massive development and progress to this state.
Ngaku apa boro kini ki komen Delhi bat hang ni Meghalaya ban trilang rangkat ban ai ka development bo ka jor bhaya ka ni ka state.
There are large amounts of money that are sent from Delhi to this state.
Chibon ka pisala pa na Delhi sa ka ni ka state.
And we need to ensure that that money gets to the people.
Ngikwa ban penting na ban pej benya ba ka ni pisag ba wan na Delhi ka lech sa piki paj ba ba pide ban yo nong ni ka ni pisag ba wan nang tay.
Rajiv Gandhi ji used to say that for every 1 rupee that is sent, 15 paisa reach the last person.
Urajib kan diu sayong man ka chitang ka chispa pisa bigi pa nang tay tang khatsan paisa ka ba wan siki paj ba.
We need to change that
Ngikwa ban kelai kata.
so that our people can benefit.
Kanang bagi briu jong ikan yo nong.
Congress President, the Prime Minister and myself will work to help Meghalaya. We will support Meghalaya in Delhi. We will support your voice in Delhi. And we will do everything we can to make the state progress faster.
Ka Congress President Sonia Gandhi, o Prime Minister Pak Rahul Gandhi, kin tristom, kin pej ban tristom na ka menta ka roy ka par, bat ginile ban penpa, ya ka bah ka miat jong ka ne ka thain ka jongi.
But if we really want to change politics, then we have to bring youngsters into the political system.
Tamalab hikwa ban penkelai ka politics. Hakaliang ka sansar ka kadar. Ngide ban ra sibon ki badang samla hakaliang ka sansar ka kadar. Ban rung ha ka politics.
Youngsters who are sensitive to the views of the common man.
Ki samla ki ba pej binya lene ki ba sio tu ya ka ting e jong ki paj ba.
Youngsters who feel the pain of the poor person.
Ki samla ki ba sio ya ka jing jar jong ki riu ki baduk.
Youngsters who suffer when they see a bad road.
Unu ki samla ki ba sio si habai ki yo I yo surok ba sio.
Youngsters who suffer when they see that their people do not have the medical facilities they need.
Ki usamla Ubasosi habai iba amdon ke hospital lene ki medical facilities ke babiang.
It is only when we open the doors of politics and bring in these youngsters that politics will really change.
Tang hadin bangi ailat ki samla tang den ailat ki samla ban join politics hangta ka politics lene ka politics kala ban kala.
And I see many of those youngsters in this crowd, and I want you to enter the political system.
Na ibon ki samla ha kene ki pai ba badon hang ne. Na kwa I piro ban simbenta ban rung ka politics.
Because even though I'm in politics for many years, I'm not happy with the way politics works.
Wala dang adon ha politics la katno snem la bon snem haringam da hun ba kumno ka politics ka ya kumukalong banta.
There are many things that we can improve.
Ki bon ki gila ban pan bha shu.
Corruption is an issue in the whole of the country.
Ka corruption kadi ka issue ha barok ka wai gari.
And we have to ensure that we remove corruption from the political system.
Ngide ban penting na mila ban pendo ya kane ka jingbam sap na ka system ka jongi.
And that is why it is so important that new young faces come into the political system.
Namar kata kadau ngidon kam igi babon ke samla ban simbentah ka kam sansar kadar.
I'd like to thank all of you for coming to this meeting, and I'd also like to thank our MP, Mr. Pala, for doing such a good job with the translation.
Na kwa ban ai ka ji sungu ipi baro ki bawan sa kane ka meeting. Ban ka jo ko por kwaro ban ong ba ban ai ko blay nga bangale kane ka translation.
Support the Congress Party,
Kershani
support the
Congress
Chief
Party.
Minister, and ensure that we have good development in your state.
Kershani ka sarkar, Kershani ka Congress Party, Kershani Chief Minister maglaban penting na susu ya ka development ka roy ka par ka ne ka thain ka jongi.
Thank you.
Ko blay si bon.